Laclede Chain Manufacturing Company presents installation for Laclede ladder-style truck chain. Pre-fit your chains before they're required. It is critical to check that the chains you have fit your tire. Before installing, make sure you are in a safe area, such as a parking lot, a designated chain-up area, or a clear section of the shoulder. Step 1. Remove the cable chains from the packaging and lay straight with cross cable anchors facing up. Step 2. Drape the chain evenly over the tire, with the lever fastener on the outside of the wheel. Step 3. Rotate your tire about 1/2 turn. Step 4. Fasten the inside and outside fasteners as tightly as possible. Step 5. Move the vehicle about 15 feet and adjust the inside and outside fasteners to be as tight as possible. Try to fasten both the inside and outside fasteners on the same bushing. To remove your chains, disconnect the inside and outside fasteners, peel the chain off the tire, and move the vehicle forward off of the chain.